3 boys and a crazy schedule, and in my house, my washing machine, my dryer, my refrigerator, my freezer, my cell phone, like that is my office. And if one of those things goes down, I'm like, this house does not run. So for me to be able to get on my phone and on the Puls app and just schedule an appointment that worked for me was amazing. It was a very easy app. I went on there, I found my small window of time. I was able to schedule it at a time that worked for me. The Puls technician was right on time. They came to the door professional. Wasn't weird to have them in my home. He knew what he was doing and knew what repair he was coming for. I didn't have to re-explain everything. It was just quick and easy. I found that using Puls, it was invaluable. Like, my appliance was fixed within the hour that I had them come. You can't find a service like that out there. Anyone who has a busy schedule and wants a competent, quick fix repair, I would call Puls.